How to create a Calendly event. So first go to Calendly and then just click on the event types here, and then just click on new event type. Okay. Next is choose among these options here what you want to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use one-on-one. So just click on one-on-one and then type in your event name. So I'll just type in sample event 1 or 2. And then as for the duration, set your duration. So I'll just set mine to, let's say, 30 minutes. And then choose your location or what you want to use for the event. So let's say you want to use Zoom, or you can also use any of the options here. And then after that, just click on continue. And there you go. Now you just made your event. So just go back and see. Yep. So you can see now you have your new event here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.